We were in a hotel right by a lake in Switzerland and had just woken up in time for breakfast with an incredible view. Hello everybody and welcome to another video. We are sitting here at Hotel Jägerhof in Switzerland having some breakfast and also with this really incredible view. Maria is here with me and today we will be going to the famous city of Grindelwald. So that will be really interesting. We just have to finish our breakfast and then take a bus and a train to get up to the Swiss Alps. We had paid $200 per night for this hotel, and the buffet breakfast was really great, with smoked salmon, Swiss cheese, fruit, eggs, bread and much more. So now we just walked along the lake here and we are waiting for bus number 60 to take us to Interlaken. And once we get to Interlaken we have to switch to a train that goes to Grindelwald. This area truly had some peaceful and scenic views. On the way to the bus stop, I just stopped here really quick to look at this incredible view here of the mountains and the nice sailboats, but I think the bus is about to arrive here, so I have to hurry over. We got on the bus and went all along the lake to stop in the city of Interlaken. We were taking the bus here, but found out that the bus doesn't go to the train station that we need to go to, so we have to walk about a mile through the city of Interlaken here, and it's quite cool. We have seen a lot of Swiss army knives and watches and stuff like that. You can also see people coming down to the city from the mountains here on their parasailing. The parasailers were coming down into the city of Interlaken from the mountains on the sides. The city is located in between two famous lakes and is also known for being the adventure city of Switzerland. The river that connects the two lakes flow all through the city and the Swiss Alps surround the whole area. The trains also go out of the city and up into the higher mountains. So we were on the way to the train station, but Maria stopped way over there, so I have to wait a bit and I'm gonna jump in and cool off real quick here. And the train also passes by right here. That's quite cool. So also what is really cool about this place right here is that the water is so blue, and then when you jump in you can kind of drift down to the next stop and then you can get up there because the water is coming from the mountains up there and then going down. Here comes the train also. Oh! The water is floating here. Really cold also. Some of the water had come from melted snow further up the Alps, which is why it was so cold. Oh, so cold. I came out from the swimming, it felt so good, it was so cold and refreshing. I can't believe it. Now we're here at Interlaken Ost and we will be taking the train from here to Grindelwald. The train has arrived here and the ticket was 24 euros to Grindelwald. So we have to get on it and head through the mountains. Here we go, here we go, here we go. We had a 45-minute train ride up to the town of Grindelwald and an incline of 500 meters or 1,600 feet. We had almost arrived and the views were so stunning and the weather really incredible. Some of the mountains are as high as 4,500 meters or 15,000 feet. Welcome to Grindelwald! Welcome to Grindelwald! We made it on the train and we also found out that the highest point of Europe is here. And you can take a train up there, but it will cost 220 euros per person to get up to Jungfraujoch. So I think we're just gonna be hanging out here and exploring the city a bit and checking out the views, because I think the views are just as incredible here. What should we do now? Where should we go?
We should walk through the town, just see how the town is, and get some Swiss chocolate.
Grindelwald is a major tourist destination of Switzerland. It's famous for its location in between the mountain tops. You can also go up to a viewpoint in a cable car, but for a ridiculous price of $440 or euros for 2 people. So we decided to go and try some chocolate instead.
I wanted to find out how much some of the truffles cost.
Yeah, it's 100 grams are 9 francs. That's about 8-9 pieces.
Oh, 8 to 9 pieces.
8 or 9.
The mango does not have nuts.
No.
Okay.
So we sat down here now at a cafe called Ringenberg. I got a Coca-Cola, Swiss made. We're also gonna try the Swiss chocolate. We have a little bag here with some chocolates that we bought. I'm gonna try the mango chocolate because I can't eat most other chocolates since they have nuts in them. Here we have the traditional Swiss mango chocolate that I'm gonna try. It's pretty good. There's some kind of cream inside it. Hopefully I don't get sick from it. Nom 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 nom. So we have finally decided what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a cable car up to a place called Pfingstegg and then ride the bobsled. We had walked around in the town for some time and felt like we really should do some excursion since we had come such a long way. Now we have arrived here to Pfingstegg and we will be taking a cable car up to a viewpoint here, and also there you can ride the bobsleds. So instead of paying 220 euros to go up to Jungfraujoch, the tallest place in Europe, we will be doing a budget version. The cost to get up to the viewpoint is 28 Swiss francs or about 28 euros. We just have to buy the tickets and then we will be heading up there.
Here we go.
Together it costs 60 euros for us to go up in the cable car. Quite a hefty price tag for just a few minutes. However, the views were really incredible, and this is a place that you most likely come to only once if you're a traveler. We made it up here. It took a little bit less than 5 minutes to get up from down there. This is the bobsled that we will be riding. Another 6 Swiss francs to ride the bobsled. We sat down in the bobsled and we're about to go down a pretty steep route. Here we go! Here we go, here we go, here we go!
Ooh, we can go faster.
Here we go!
that? What was that? Oh.
That was it. We like a minute and a half. Whoa! We're almost falling backward now. It was quite fun actually.
Yeah.
This little cart had a handbrake in front of it, but we hadn't used it at all. That's why we went so fast.
10 minutes, like that lady said. That was 5 minutes.
Yeah. There was a minute and a half. I was filming the whole time.
It said langsam slow.
Now we're almost back. Whoa. Oh, we get to ride a little bit again. We finished riding the bobsled and stopped here on top of this viewpoint, and it's a really good outlook.
Yeah, it's really, really beautiful here. You can see the whole town of Grindelwald back there.
Now we were all the way up at an elevation of 1,400 meters or 4,600 feet. It was getting a bit late in the day and we were all by ourselves at this location, so we took the chance to enjoy the last moments. It was nice to be up in the mountains, and I felt a sense of freedom, and that I had lived life the way I wanted to in the past years. We don't have to live the way society tells us to live, and I think freedom is the right to live as we wish. Now we are done here for today. We're just waiting for the last cable car to take us down the mountain. It's 6:50 and the last cable car is going down at 7. Here it comes, so let's head down to the valley. It had been a great day, but we had to eat something in the town and then catch the train back to the starting point. We almost made it back to the train station, but this is actually a mountain called Eiger, and it's 3,970 meters tall, and also one of the tallest mountains in all of Europe. So I think that's about 12,000 feet or so. This is the end of the video. All we're gonna do now is take the train back and then the bus, and I might go swimming in the lake later tonight. But in conclusion, I think this place is really nice. However, it's really, really expensive. Just to go up in the cable car was 28 euros, $28, and that was like a 3-minute ride up there. But going in the bobsled was really fun.
That actually was really fun, but the girl told us that the ride was 10 minutes.
Yeah.
It was like 1 minute.
It was a minute and a half.
Yeah.
Because I was filming the whole time, so I knew exactly how long it was.
Yeah.
But it's the end of the video, so if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel, and also as always leave this video a thumbs up. In the next video we will be visiting another famous place called Lauterbrunnen. So see you in the next video.